Welcome. In front of me is a REALME C17, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. To get started, let's find our Do Not Disturb mode by swiping down from the top of our screen, and then swipe down in this panel right here to extend the list of toggles. One of those toggles should be a Do Not Disturb mode. For me, it is located on the second page and looks exactly like this. Once you see it, if you're doing this the first time around, you want to hold it. Now the reason for that is, this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how this mode will function. So I'm going to touch upon just a couple of the options that we can find in here, like the schedule, which allows you to set up a fully automatic schedule. By default there should be a sleep one, but I guess this one got changed. But you can create your own by tapping on a plus and selecting the name, start time, end time, and also what days of the week it will be repeating. Going back, we have allow notifications. It just allows you to select notifications, how they appear, messages and calls. Now I'm going to touch more on the calls because messages has almost the same amount of settings. So anyone, contacts, favorites, and no one. So these are the options for calls and messages. You can choose them independently, but we do have the additional toggle right here to select, which allows you to select that if someone calls you twice within a 3-minute period, they will bypass whatever you have selected under calls. So as an example, if it's set to no one, technically no one should be able to call you when this mode is enabled. Or more precisely, you wouldn't even see that someone is trying to call you. But if this is enabled and they do so twice within a 3-minute period, the call will go through as though the mode is turned off. It's a good option in terms of emergencies, so you might want to look into it. Now once it's all set, you can close this, and whenever you want to use your mode, if you plan to use the schedule, just make sure that the schedule was enabled in the schedule section with the switch. But for everyone else who wants to enable it manually, just on random occasions, find the toggle and simply tap on it. And there we go. Once you're done with it, you can turn it off by tapping on the toggle once again. So, hopefully this explained this mode pretty thoroughly. So if it did, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.